Hi guys. So today, what we are going to see is we are going to see the comments. From 2 to 3 comments I want to um, just to clarify. So that is why I've taken this video on that. So how to understand the breakthrough is genuine 4 candle earlier was also there was a doji made above the trend line. How to avoid that break? Okay. So Martin, what I would tell you is like you have to work on some patterns. So first of all, what you need to do is like you have to work on some patterns. There are several patterns like bullish flag, bearish flag, bullish falling wedge, bearish rising wedge, asymmetrical pattern, and there are similar other patterns are also there. So basically, whenever there is a breakout is seen. So for example, here you can see a breakout. So whenever you are seeing a breakout over there, you need to wait for a pullback and then you have to enter at the top of the candle. So for example, assume you got a breakout of this candle and then the pullback of 2 candles are there, and after that this green candle gave you the signal to go for the entry. So you have to enter the trade at the point here. So always try to enter a trade whenever there is a breakout and then retest, so that your entry, your direction can continue as such. So that is what the answer for your question. So how to understand the breakout is genuine? Any breakout can be genuine, cannot be genuine. So for example, this candle also gave a breakout, clear, but then it went for a pullback, and after that it should come down to break this low. If suppose it is breaking this low, then you can go for a sell side entry, but it did not come back here and it started moving up to give a breakout at the upside. So this is what your answer. If in case you are still more not clear, kindly do let me know in the mail, so that I will just make a video with some other examples of other pattern breakouts and etc. From Traders Pro channel, not unable to get the intraday calls, kindly guide me. So just go to the Telegram channel, enter Traders Spot in search, you will get a channel name and go and join the channel, and obviously you will get some intraday calls. I'm not sure why you are not able to get, because even today there were some calls posted in Traders Spot channel. So good evening G. Today in Asian Paint, the difference between CPR and R1, the difference is only 0.6%, and it's a NR7 stock, and it is also forms narrow CPR. As soon as R1 and previous day range is broken, it gave a very good rally. If you could have taken after first 5 minutes, we can got the entire move by trailing 5 minutes super trend. My question is how to spot such stocks in the day opening. It gave a rally of 4.16% after the breakout. 4 days target could have achieved in single trade. So Ravi Kumar, it was a good analysis from you. What I would tell you is like, I do not check NR7 or NR4 stock. Based on that strategy, I do not trade, but I do trade with my own strategy. So based on that strategy, I have written a screener, and these are the screener alerts which came today. And if you say Asian Paint today, it came at around 10:06 a.m. So let's go to the chart of Asian Paints. So this is the chart of Asian Paints. Clear? So what I will do is like, let me remove CPR. Clear? Okay. So I got the alert at around 10 o'clock. So this is the time I got the alert. So at that time of alert, this is the high which has formed. Clear? So if any candle is breaking this high, I will go for an entry. Because as per 30-minute strategy or as per 15-minute strategy, the breakout is already done. So 10, 20, 30. So this is the 30 minutes high, and below this high, I can go for an entry. I got the entry alert at 10 o'clock. So this candle is going above it. So what I would do is like, I will just go for an entry at the break of this candle. So what will be my initial stop loss? My initial stop loss will be swing low, which can be here or which can be here. I can wait for both the entries. And what would be my target? I can keep a target of 1%. So 1538 plus 15 will give me around 1553. So my target will be over here. So this would be my target. So if you want, you can go for a entry over here, and the stop loss is here. So once my target is hit, if I want to trail my stop loss, then what I would do is like I will keep my stop loss over here. Clear? And after that, and another breakout, and it started moving further up. So you, as per your convenience, you can trade on this, or you can keep 1.5 ATR as stop loss in 15-minute chart. So in 15-minute chart, you can use 1.5 ATR. So that will also give you a good opportunity to trade. So if suppose anyone has followed the previous book reading, what I have done in Boss in Action, then you would have taken this trade very easily with 1.5 ATR as stop loss, where your stop loss would not have got hit. Now let's see what has happened with CPR. So this is my entry point. Clear? 1538. So the R1 is at 1544. You would have got some 0.5% of profit, which is nothing but 8 points. So even if you have traded at this point, you are still in profit, or you are trading at 1583, which is nothing but the weekly pivot. If you are going to exit your trade, that also you will get some 1% profit. And then if you are still continuing, you can go further also. So how did I take this trade, or how did I come to know about this entry? It's all about my screeners, and that is why I took an entry on that. So if you guys want to know whether to take some, whether to give you some hints, I'll just tell you one hint or trick. If suppose the range is very, very narrow, the CPR range is very, very narrow, and if the first 3-minute candles is above R2, then you have high opportunity to go for a trade which can go till R3 to R4. So this is what the hint I can give, because after the 15 minutes breakout, if someone is taking, they would have still got R4 and weekly pivot. More than 1% is possible. So in the case of very, very tight, narrow CPR range, if the candles are opening above R2, then the opportunity to go to R3 or R4 is very, very high. So kindly watch those trades so that you will be able to get some alerts, or you will be able to you can be prepared for it, and you will have an edge in your trading career. So this is all about the video, and this is all about the content in this video. Do let me know in the comment section, and also Ravi Kumar, please let me know whether I had cleared your doubt. Kindly watch the previous Secret of Pivot Boss book reading which I have uploaded, so you will also get some idea on that, Ravi Kumar. So in case of any comments, do let me know in the mail, so that I will try to explain you in the mail, or I will make a video for you guys. So that's it, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. Keep subscribing, keep liking, keep sharing. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.